Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. I'm in my new office, but I want to let y'all know from now on, I'm going to be dropping straight gems. So I need y'all to get your pen, get your paper. I need y'all to take notes. I have a lot of videos on my channel. You know, I've been doing this for about 5 years. I just didn't start doing this last year. I got 5 years worth of content on my channel. If you want to learn about personal credit, if you want to learn about business credit, I have it all there. You don't even have to send me no message. But if you want to lock in with me, you know, you can go right to my website, which is on the screen right behind me, and book your call, and we can work on personal and business credit. But you know, I gave away my repair ebook earlier this year for free. You could go right on my website. I don't want to hear any kind of excuses. You know, people say, hey, I'm tired of being lazy. I want to do the work. I want to fix my credit. I want to start building my credit. I want to get out this hole. Well, it's in that ebook on that website right below, which will be in the link before. But I added something new because I definitely don't want to hear any kind of excuses. From now on, you'll be able to go to that website and get your business guide to building your business credit for free as well. So you're going to have your personal credit ebook and your business credit ebook, both for free, people. I'm ready to take y'all to the next level. I need y'all to lock in. I need y'all to take your notes, and I need y'all not to be lazy. Today's topic, people, we're going to be talking about business funding, right? How you could go to the bank. If you go back 5 years, I did a video on how to finesse the banks, right? It's probably my 4th or 5th video. I can't remember. Just go back 5 years. I got all the content there. How to go grab some money. Very easy, very simple. That same method is the method I used in 2025, people. This is simple and this is easy. This is a no-brainer. You just got to stop being lazy, right? So if you want to go grab some money, you know, I did videos in the past about getting high yield savings account, people. I'm going to talk slow through these videos because I want y'all to lock in. I want to see y'all get to that next level, right? This is the method I'm using in 2025, right? We could talk about, what is this, people? All the credit cards and stuff like that. It's all good, right? We're not on that. We're past that, right? We on the business side, we on the personal side, but we actually going to get those lines of credit, people. Lines of credit. The credit cards is good. I showed you how to liquidate it, how to take the money off. I got all those videos on my channel, people. I do this because I want to see you win. The same reason you can go to my website and get that personal credit repair ebook and to building your business credit. You have it for free. It should be no excuse. I do this because I want to see y'all win. I want to see y'all get to that next level, right? I can't sit here and say I want to see y'all win and I'm charging y'all for stuff. No, it is no charge. Go right on that website, go download both ebooks and stop being lazy, right? Now, the best way to go grab some money right now for the banks right now is build a relationship. You know, Chase, Wells Fargo, Key Bank, Citizen Bank. All these banks are really good. Navy Federal, is one of my favorite, right? Now, this is a simple method that you could use today and grab some money and let that money work for you, right? So let's say, for example, you have a high yield savings account, right? You want to go look for 3.75%, 4%, 4.25%, 4.5%, 5%. Now, I have videos on my channel where you could go get 4%, 5%, 6% annual return on your money, right? That's the simplest way if you want to capitalize when it comes to using the banks, people. This is simple and this is easy, right? So let's say you had a high yield savings account, right? And let's just say, I'm just going to throw a number because I know we got people on the low end, we got people on the middle, and we got people on the high end. Because if I say $1 million, people say I don't have $1 million. If I say $500,000, I don't got that. So I'm going to say if you just use $100,000, right? Let's say you have some credit cards, you liquidate them, right? Whatever it may be, or you might just have some capital to invest and you put $100,000 in a high yield savings account, right? With an annual return of 4.5%, people. I don't need my calculator, you get the calculator. 4.5%, 100,000, your money's gonna make $4,500 a year, people, right? You can break it down monthly and you'll see how much you'll be getting in return monthly. I believe, if I just go off in my head, I think it's about $378, somewhere around there, right? So now you could go to the bank and tell them you would like to get a line of credit with your money secured sitting there, that $100,000, right? Now, if you don't have a relationship with them, they might only give you 50% of that, 60% with that, right? But I could walk in and get 80% or 90%. So if I have $100,000 sitting there, I could go in there and get about $90,000 against that money, right? And guess what I'm gonna do, people? That same money, that $100,000 that's sitting in that high yield savings account, that return that you're making, remember you got 100,000. Now, if you have 200, $250,000, $500,000, it's gonna be more. Obviously, it's $1 million. Your return is gonna be more. Obviously, people, right? So now you're making this return, and let's just say you knew you only get 60% of what you're asking for, right? You got $100,000 in there. The bank come back and say, we could approve you for $60,000, right? Now, how you might be saying, how am I gonna repay it? Now, if you're an investor, if you know how to make money, you're gonna know how to generate that money. But for me, what I do, let's say that $100,000, that return I'm making, that money is being paid, right, to me. And what's gonna happen is that I'm making those payments. Let's say that 60% that you got, that 60,000 is being paid by the money that's sitting there, that $100,000, right? So obviously the more that you have in there, the more your return is gonna be. So it gives you time. Let's say you got that 60,000, to take that 60,000, invest in something. If you're doing an e-com store for ladies, if you want to start a nail, whatever it may be, it doesn't matter. You get what I'm saying? You gotta invest that money. For me, I could get up to 90% of my money. So if I sit $100,000 in there, I could get up to $90,000, right? I'm gonna take that $90,000, I'm gonna make that $90,000 work for me, people, right? And the interest, right, that I'm getting on that $100,000, I'm gonna make the repayments back to that money that they gave me. So we gotta start using common sense, people. I wanna see you win. So these are the steps that you could do if you're looking for some funding on the personal side or on the business side. You could use the same method. It doesn't matter. But a lot of times people are chasing these credit cards, and it's all good to get the credit cards or liquidate them. But why go through all that hassle when you could just actually use the banks to your advantage by have your money sitting in a high yield savings account and go ahead and borrow against it, get 60%, 70%, 80%, or like me, even get up to 90% of your money, which is really good. And just make that payment with the annual fee that you're making off that $100,000 that's sitting there, which will give you a little time to take that money that you got and start flipping it and generate some money for you so you could get to that next level. So again, go to my website right below, go download your free ebook, go download your business ebook, and stop being lazy and let's do the work. Again, I'm gonna be dropping a lot of gems, but I'm only gonna drop maybe 1 or 2 times a week because I wanna see y'all get to that next level. And I'm busy in my own business and what I'm trying to do. So again, man, get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.